Mami, ba't di ka mag-train?
Bigay mo na kay daddy yan.
Ba't ayaw mo mag-train, me?
Kasi gusto ko mag-exercise.
Mag-exercise,
So,
mag-picture-picture?
ayun, oh, may manok dito.
Manok?
Oo, kaya
Wala, may manok.
may upuan, ganyan na yung pinuntahan nila.
May manok, daddy, oh.
Ha?
Ulamin mo na yan.
Ay, free ba to? Yung $7 ko ata to. Kukuhanin
Kunin
ko
mo
ito
na.
Pang tinola.
Wow! Mami! Tira mo yan, no? Diyan ka, oh. Ang ganda ng view. May pa-picture sila. Smile ka nga. Wow! Picture mo daw. Picture mo daw si Mami. Ayan. Picture mo si Mami. Ayan. Yung picture namin si Daddy. Marami pala dito. May mga upuan-upuan. May mga pa-swing-swing. Upo ka sa swing, me.
Mamaya may tao pa.
Oo, ang daming tao dito. Dito sana kung mag-picture-picture ka dyan. Ang ganda ng view. Yan, me.
Yan.
Say hi.
Hi.
Shout out naman dyan.
Yan, pa-shout out. Mga taga Luz Rason University.
Wow.
I'm here. We are here in the flower.
Picture ka dyan, me, oh. Dito.
Here.
Picture ka dyan.
Malayo.
Sige. Wait lang, guys, ha. Ganda ng bike, me. Sakay ka na. Iuwi mo na yun sa bahay.
Go. Done?
Wow. Dade.
Antay na.
Mami, may bridge doon, no?
Mamaya.
Wow. Ang ganda ng bike.
Upo ako na.
Daddy. De. Dade. Di ka mag-take ng picture? Ikaw nga, eh. Na. Ha?
DJ nga, iba nga.
Mamaya, upo ako dito. Video.
Oh, Daddy. De. Wow. Me, picture ka na dyan?
Oo.
Sana si Daddy. Sana kayong dalawa.
Tawagin mo daddy.
Daddy, oh, picture naman daw si Mami.
Hindi ka dito daddy.
Ganda yan. Dapat mahiga.
Oh.
Dapat maganda. Ah, dalawa kayo?
Hindi.
Sige. Sa bridge ka naman, me.
May nakabilang.
Ito, oh, grabe. Ang ganda. Para naman tayong nasa Korea.
Korea. Wala.
Share mo daw si Mami. Wow. Yung bridge. Daming tao, ah. Daddy, naamoy mo ba ang naamoy ko? Nga yun, no? Ang ganda, oh.
Kaya nga, mamaya pagkatapos niya, antayin natin.
Wow. Kaya pala ang dami pumupunta dito. Ang ganda. May magtingin ka naman sa camera. Ayan. Picture, picture. Ikaw din mag-picture de, oh. Wow. Sana si Mia na doon nag-iintay. Dada, ang daming pagkain dito, oh. What? Ang dami. What is that? What is that?
Kumain bundan. Ano yun?
Free ata yung mga baso doon. Kunin mo daw. Ade. Wala, may double chin ka na. Guys, nagutom. Nagutom daw sila Mami at Daddy at ngayon kakain na daw sila ng limpak-limpak na pagkain.
Limpak-limpak. This one. How about this? Oh, papaya salad.
Popcorn chicken. This is ice cream.
The first prize. These are the God cheese with big
French fries. Look at that. Bubble tea and French fries.
Anong pagkain mo?
French fries.
Ayaw mo nun?
Um, guys, gusto nyo ba yan? I don't want ice cream.
Ayaw mo?
Yeah.
Ito na lang, ito na lang.
O, yan na lang. O,
Yan ako dati.
ano ka? Sago?
French fries.
Sago?
French fries ako.
Which one you want?
Very good.
Try some papaya salad or squid ring?
Squid ring?
Yeah? Squid ring. How many? Which one?
Ikaw?
Popcorn chicken na lang ata ako.
No, me is a coconut water.
Oh, coconut water.
Ikaw, GB.
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken?
That is popcorn chicken. It's $10. What do you say? I think that one.
You want shumai?
Me? No, not shomai. How about you, mommy? You like shomai?
What mayonnaise?
Yes.
And can I have one milk tea,
Hello? Are you videoing? Make sure you get me.
This one is the squid.
Am I on TV?
Live on YouTube.
Papaya salad.
Oh, daddy, ako papaya salad.
Here, in here. Howdy, papaya salad.
Tikman mo nga, daddy. Rate mo 1 to 10.
How much all?
We have cash?
Yeah.
Yeah. 12 plus 17. Anything else?
Popcorn chicken.
Just two, yeah?
Yeah.
17.
Where's my popcorn chicken? Huwag na lang, yun na lang french
Hindi.
fries.
Which one?
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken, oh, very nice. You want to try? Try.
No.
Yeah, I want to order.
You want order?
Yeah, milk.
ดูของอะไรต้องเติมคอยมองนะคอยมองแบบถึงมือแต่ตามองไม่เกิน
And I pay already the coconut water.
Kinakain mo, me?
I'm eating pad thai.
Pad Thai?
Yeah.
How much?
It's $10.
And you, daddy, the gulay.
Squid one.
Squid one. Mommy, look, there's a lot of food, oh. Hot and chips, pad thai, bracho, burger, a lot. Marami palang, ano, pagkain
Punasan mo
dito.
yung ilong mo, may mayonnaise.
Drinks.
Ay, pad thai.
How about you, daddy? Water. Pad thai. Wala kang drinks, me?
I got coconut water.
Yeah. But I have no food na. Ay, daddy, look, oh. Me,
Yeah?
I wanna buy french fries there. Can I buy one french fries? Just french fries. Look. Just the french. Oy, try daw. Try, please.
Which one? You go and try.
Me.
Pila.
It's $8
$8 yung
french fries. Oh, there's the ice cream. Mommy, give me $8.
Kamu nga yung...
Where's the chair? There we go and sit
Mommy,
there.
give me $8.
Come here, there.
Ikaw ka dyan?
Dar.
Ano na?
Daddy. No money.
Saka doon, ilagay natin.
Where are we going to sit? Daddy, oh. Daddy.
Wala naman upuan.